I'm scared. Oh, yes. Like, what? What's going on? Why is our pastor talking about flushing drugs in the daggone toilet? Like, what is happening? What's up, Anya Army? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Anya Havita, and today I will be showing you guys how I got this cute style in 20 minutes for $0. Period. I look naked. I'm not naked. I have on a bodysuit. So I've already partially straightened my hair. I didn't straighten the middle because it's going up in a bun anyway, and I didn't really feel the need to heat damage it. So that's why it looks crazy. Like the front and the back are straight, and then this is just, yeah. The first thing to do is figure out your bang situation. Yeah, that's perfect. Do the other side and try to get them as identical as possible. The bangs have to be even, or it's just gonna look cray-cray, because the bangs are the featured piece. And I'm twisting as opposed to braiding so that my hair can stay as straight as possible. If I were to braid it up, it would start to like wave in the braid pattern. But with twisting, I found that my hair can stay pretty straight as is. And also the point of leaving the middle straight, unstraight, is that it helps the bun be bigger. I was originally going to straighten it all and then put synthetic hair in there, but because I left the middle unstraightened, when it gets into a bun, the bun is going to be pretty big and pretty poofy without extra hair needed. I'm going to go in with my Murray's beeswax, and I'm just gonna part the back, put a little back there, part the sides, put a little bit in the parts, and then slick it. That just helps it be really slick. It doesn't have to be even, it doesn't have to be pretty. Just part it, get some out. I use the bottom of my comb to get some out to avoid getting my nails super dirty, especially because the wax is black. I noticed that this black, if you let it, this black will really get everywhere. So I do not be playing with this Murray's. And then just going in with this hard brush. We will part and wax the front. Make sure you put the wax in the direction that you are going to be slicking your hair up, so that it all goes up that way. And don't forget the baby hairs. All sides are waxed. Just going to brush up into a ponytail. I'm gonna go to the house. Okay, drive safe. Are y'all getting in the pool? No. Oh, okay. Sir, I can?
Yeah, it just got clean.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's normally be ready by 1:30.
Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna go get in the pool. Take the tighter hairband that you have and make a ponytail. Don't bun it yet. Alright, and now I'm gonna use the pick side of my three-way comb and just pick out that unstraightened part. I like to pull the straightened hair over the bun part, twist it up, and then twist it around. And just play with it until you get it how you want it. And then I go in with a looser hair bow. If you mess up, it's okay because you already have your base set, so you can do the bun as many times as you need to until you feel like it's perfect. My bangs actually came out longer than I was anticipating. So I got just some synthetic hair because I was gonna glue in a front piece, but honestly, I don't think I really need to. So I'm just gonna make sure that my part is super straight and then curl them to the side like I want. Take your time with it so you don't gotta do, you know, more than 1 or 2 passes. See the difference? Alright, both sides are straightened out. Bun is looking good. Uh-oh, missed a piece. I was like, what is that piece right there? Child, I missed a whole piece. All together now so that the curl is the same on, you know, across the board. Do a finger curl and hold. See, this is my problem. This side always curls perfectly while this side just be looking like a crackhead, okay? I don't really know if I'm just not holding my wrist right or what, but this side don't never come out as cute as the other side. But we gonna try. I'm scared. Oh, yes. Okay then, show out. She said, I heard you was talking junk. Okay. Now see, I shouldn't even have left my baby hairs out because you're not gonna be able to see them. Should I just, golly. Welp. We're still gonna take them out. I can't believe how cute that side turned out. I mean, it's not looking the cutest right now, but it will in just a second. So go ahead and straighten the little hairs. Whew. I really need to get a little small, like quarter inch situation on the flat iron front, because I'll be about to burn my daggone scalp with this big old straightener. I really is loving the curls. Like this reminds me of how my mama used to do my hair when I was a little girl. Hey, First Lady. Like, this is definitely church vibes. Hey, Pastor Carter. Girl, let me tell you about the pastor of my daggone church. Tell me why this man used to be a big coke dealer in the 80s, right? And while he was in jail, he found God, you know, jailhouse preacher as they are, except he was particularly good at, you know, his, you know, reformed shtick. But girl, I remember we used to be in church and he used to be talking about how the police came to his daggone house and he would be in the bathroom trying to flush the coke, praying to God, talking about, if you let me, like, if you just let me get away with it this time, I won't, you know, be selling coke and crack no more. And he said he used to, the police would raid, they wouldn't find anything, and then he'd re-up, and then he'd be right back at it, girl. And I remember being like 6, like, what? What's going on? Why is our pastor talking about flushing drugs in the daggone toilet? Like, what is happening? And then he eventually, you know, went to jail, as coke dealers do. And he He said that while he was in jail, that's when he got real serious about God or whatever. And so now he's running this daggone mini mega church. And eventually he got thrown out the church because he was smuggling money, child. And you already know pastors get hella money, especially in black churches. They get paid. You know, the church pays for their car, their housing, all of that. So, sir, why are you in here stealing money? Child. And then my dad was a part of the treasury team, so that's who found out. And he was mad at my dad. And at the time, he smoked cigarettes. So they was like, you know, like, only heathens smoke cigarettes. Like, it was a big thing. And I remember one night they had this church meeting with all like the church officers. And of course, like I said, because my dad was a part of the treasury team. And my uncle was like a head deacon. My auntie was a deaconess. Like, we were real big in the church, like at that time. And girl, it was about to be a freaking fight in there. Like, literally. I remember that so vividly. Like, they was really in that church about to throw hands. But it's looking so cute so far. Yeah. Get into it. I love it. Period. Did I tell you how to show them? Cute. Outfit of the day. The baby hairs are so unnecessary because you really can't even see them. But it's cute. Just got to get these little parts on the side to lay down, and then it's going to really give. I can't find my damn hot comb. Where it would have gone, I really don't know. But mommy is MIA, okay? She is missing. Alright. That was super cute, super easy. That took me like 20-25 minutes. But my hair was already straightened, so cute. It did not take me long at all. I am going to do my makeup and get cute, film some TikToks, take some Instagram pictures. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Anya Javita. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more hair videos. I have hair tutorials, hair reviews, and a lot more to come. Especially cute little quick, easy, cheap styles that you can do on your natural hair or add some hair, you know, if your hair is not quite as long. So, period. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and meet me in the comments so we can talk about if you would try it or trash it. Mwah.